Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best spider brush is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning tools you can add to your arsenal, designed to tackle those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies that traditional brushes often miss, making it an indispensable gadget for anyone serious about maintaining a spotless home or workspace. Number 5. LAZYCOTTAGE Cobweb Duster with Extension Pole. This cleaning kit includes everything you need for a spotless home. It comes with a cobweb duster, a microfiber duster, and an extendable pole, perfect for tackling dust on furniture, ceilings, and more. Reach new heights safely. The extendable pole reaches up to 100 inches, so you can clean high ceilings and corners without a ladder. Plus, the soft sleeve protects your walls from scratches. Get into every nook and cranny. The flexible duster head can be bent to clean awkward spots like the top of shelves or behind appliances. Its microfiber material effectively traps dust and hair. Cleaning up is a breeze. The duster heads are washable and reusable, and the pole features a convenient hanging hole for easy storage. Keep your cleaning tools tidy and ready for next time. We've carefully assembled this cleaning bundle for you. If you have any questions about our duster set, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help. What we like. This cleaning kit comes with multiple attachments for versatile cleaning. It's washable and reusable, making it an eco-friendly choice. If you need a comprehensive set for various surfaces and want to protect your walls from scratches, this is the one for you. What people say. The pole seems sturdy, and the cobweb duster worked great. I had another brand years ago, but it didn't extend as far as this one, and the pole didn't seem sturdy. The extendable pole is good quality. When not broken, it works great, does an excellent job of clearing away cobwebs and removing dust from ceiling fans or tops of cabinets. The telescoping handle is still functioning after a year, which is better than other ones I tried, so gave it a solid 4 stars. The cobweb duster exceeded my expectations. When closed, it is compact and easy to store, yet when fully extended, it reaches the top of the tall screen surround on my lanai. The semi-rigid yet flexible design grabs the webs to it, unlike other dusters that didn't remove them. The webs wash off easily with a hose. Number 4. EVERSPROUT 5 to 12 feet telescoping duster. Experience superior cleaning with our hand-packaged duster. Each one is carefully prepared to ensure the bristles are full and fluffy, ready for effective dust and cobweb removal. Effortlessly clean high ceilings, beams, and corners with an impressive reach of up to 20 feet. You can tackle those hard-to-reach spots safely from the ground. This lightweight, long-handled duster is perfect for any cleaning task, whether inside your home or out. It's the ideal tool for keeping high ceilings free of dust and webs. Despite its lightweight aluminum construction, this extendable duster is built to last. It's easy to handle and maneuver, yet strong enough for any cleaning job. Designed with versatility in mind, it easily fits into tight spaces. Reach those tricky ceiling corners, vents, and wall edges with precision. Say goodbye to stubborn spider webs and dust. This tool makes removing them from any surface simple and efficient. What we like. This duster is meticulously hand-packaged to ensure its bristles are full and effective. It offers an impressive reach of up to 20 feet, making high-up cleaning effortless. If you're looking for maximum reach and a fluffy duster head for tackling extensive spider webs, this is an excellent option. What people say. The spider brush is a game-changer for cleaning tight spaces. Its unique design allows it to reach corners and crevices that traditional brushes can't. The bristles are firm yet flexible, making it effective on various surfaces without causing damage. Number 3. 20-foot high reach dusting kit. Introducing our 20-foot high reach dusting kit, designed to make cleaning high and hard-to-reach places effortless. Tackle dust and cobwebs like never before. The lightweight yet sturdy aluminum extension pole adjusts from 5 to 12 feet, allowing you to reach up to 20 feet without a ladder. Its non-slip grip ensures comfort and safety. This kit includes 3 specialized duster heads, a cobweb duster for corners, a microfiber duster for surfaces, and a bendable ceiling fan duster. They easily attach to the extension pole. The cobweb duster uses static electricity to attract and remove dust and cobwebs from walls, ceilings, and corners without scratching surfaces. Our microfiber duster traps dust and dirt effectively, and it's easily washable. The bendable head is perfect for cleaning furniture, blinds, and chandeliers in tight spaces. The flexible ceiling fan duster conforms to any blade shape, maximizing dust removal. It's ideal for cleaning fans, blinds, and other surfaces that require bending. What we like. This kit provides a variety of brush heads to handle almost any dusting task. Its aluminum telescopic pole offers adjustable height for convenience. If you need a flexible solution with different tools for various surfaces and hard-to-reach spots, this kit is a great all-around choice. What people say. Very sturdy quality, well-designed, well-weighted but not heavy, easy to store, and best of all, it works. It's really nice. I bought it for cleaning CCTV cameras lenses at my office, and it's perfect for that. It's super sturdy for most reach. It works very well, and made it look new again. It's very sturdy to use and not flimsy. Number 2. EVERSPROUT Twist-On Cobweb Duster. Tired of cobwebs in those hard-to-reach places? Our duster is designed to tackle them easily, both indoors and outdoors. Its soft bristles ensure effective cleaning without damage. Unlike other dusters, ours are hand-packaged to keep the bristles full and effective. You'll enjoy a superior cleaning experience every time. This duster head easily twists onto any standard threaded pole, including our extension poles. Get the extra reach you need to clean high ceilings and tight corners. Save money and the environment by reusing this duster. Simply wash it with water and let it air dry for countless cleaning sessions. We stand by our products with a 1-year warranty and exceptional USA customer service. Experience a wow factor in your purchase. What we like. This is a high-quality brush head designed for effective cobweb removal. It features soft bristles and is washable for repeated use. If you already have a compatible extension pole and are looking for a durable, reusable duster head specifically for cobwebs, this is a fantastic standalone option. What people say. The spider brush is a great tool for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Its unique design allows it to get into tight corners and crevices. The bristles are firm enough to scrub away dirt and grime effectively. Number 1. Webster Cobweb Duster. Tired of struggling to reach high places? Our extendable duster makes cleaning ceilings, fans, and cobwebs effortless. Safely and comfortably reach every corner of your home. This duster is your ultimate cleaning companion. Its telescopic handle and bendable brush head allow you to clean at any angle, reaching even the most awkward spots. Experience a new level of clean with its innovative split fiber technology. It effortlessly attracts dust, pollen, and hair, leaving your surfaces spotless. Cleaning up after cleaning is a breeze. Simply detach the microfiber head, wash it, and let it air dry. Plus, the handle features a hanging hole for easy storage. Crafted with a sturdy yet lightweight handle and a high-quality microfiber head, this tool is built to last. It's the perfect, reusable solution for all your dusting needs. What we like. This duster offers a substantial reach of up to 100 inches, making high cleaning accessible. Its bendable brush head allows for easy maneuvering around obstacles. If you prioritize a long reach and a duster that can adapt to different angles for cleaning high ceilings and fans, this is a solid choice. What people say. I love the extendable arm, and I've been able to get the ceiling fans clean and even get the corners of the ceilings where I can't reach. It's pretty easy to clean, and I love that it's bendable because it can get into some weird spots a lot of cleaning products and other dusters just can't. The telescoping handle lets me get all the way up our 10-foot walls, do ceiling fan blades, HVAC returns, the knick-knacks, easily. My first foray caught so much dust I had to hand wash it till the water ran clear in the sink. I set it aside on a towel, and the next day, after it dried, it was just like new. Now, all I need to do is take it outside and shake it off. Item is already assembled and is very easy to use. Nice and sturdy. I bought it to get rid of the spiderwebs on my plants. I needed something gentle on the plants and easy to reach higher places. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.